Imagine gazing up at the night sky, but instead of our solitary moon, you're greeted by two celestial orbs. It's a captivating thought experiment, one that pushes us to reconsider our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Could such a system exist, and how would it reshape our world? Let's embark on a journey of celestial discovery as we explore the awe-inspiring possibilities and dramatic consequences of Earth having not one, but two moons. Our moon, a celestial dance partner, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its presence in our night sky has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. From ancient civilizations to modern astronomers, the moon has always been a source of wonder and fascination. Its gravitational embrace orchestrates the tides, influences the length of our days, and even stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. The moon's pull on our planet is a delicate balance that has shaped the natural rhythms of life on Earth. But what if we introduced another lunar companion into this delicate cosmic ballet? The addition of a second moon would undoubtedly bring about significant changes to our planet's dynamics. To accommodate two moons, their orbits would need to be carefully choreographed to avoid gravitational tug-of-war. This intricate dance would require precise calculations and adjustments to ensure that both moons could coexist without causing chaos. Imagine a celestial Venn diagram, with Earth at the center and each moon occupying its own stable orbital path. The gravitational forces at play would need to be meticulously balanced to maintain this delicate equilibrium. The size and mass of these hypothetical moons would be crucial. A larger moon could exert a stronger gravitational pull, potentially disrupting the stability of the system. A moon significantly larger than our own could wreak havoc on Earth's delicate gravitational balance. It could lead to more extreme tides, longer days, and even shifts in the planet's axial tilt. On the other hand, two smaller moons might find a more harmonious existence within Earth's gravitational embrace. Their combined gravitational forces could create a more stable and balanced system, allowing for a peaceful coexistence. The implications of such a system are profound, extending far beyond a mere visual spectacle in the night sky. The presence of two moons could influence everything from oceanic tides to the behavior of wildlife, and even the evolution of life on Earth. It would be a fascinating and complex scenario, one that would require careful study and understanding to fully grasp its impact on our planet and its inhabitants. The gravitational pull of our moon is the unseen conductor of Earth's watery symphony, dictating the ebb and flow of our tides. With the introduction of a second moon, this delicate dance becomes infinitely more complex. Imagine a world where high tides reach unprecedented heights, driven by the combined gravitational forces of two moons. Coastal cities would face a constant threat of inundation, forced to adapt or face the relentless power of the ocean. Coastal ecosystems would be thrown into disarray. Intertidal zones would face dramatic shifts in their boundaries, potentially leading to the extinction of species and the rise of new, more resilient forms of life. The very rhythm of the tides would become a complex interplay of gravitational forces. This altered tidal rhythm would have profound implications for marine life. Earth's climate is a delicate balancing act, a complex interplay of atmospheric forces, solar radiation, and even the gravitational influence of our celestial neighbors. The balance is so fine-tuned that even minor changes can have significant impacts. Introducing a second moon could disrupt this delicate equilibrium, creating a cascade of changes that would ripple through our entire climate system. This disruption could lead to dramatic shifts in weather patterns, altering the way we experience seasons and weather events. The gravitational pull of two moons would exert a stronger influence on Earth's atmosphere, potentially causing more pronounced tidal effects. This increased gravitational force could lead to more extreme weather events, such as stronger storms and more severe heat waves. Hurricanes, for instance, could become more frequent and intense, with higher wind speeds and greater rainfall, causing more damage to coastal areas. The very circulation patterns of our atmosphere could be altered by the presence of an additional lunar companion, affecting jet streams and ocean currents. This could lead to shifts in precipitation patterns, with some regions experiencing more rainfall and others facing prolonged droughts, disrupting agriculture and water supplies. Differential rainfall patterns could result in some areas becoming lush and green, while others turn into arid deserts, drastically changing the landscape. Ecosystems would face unprecedented challenges, as plants and animals struggle to adapt to the new conditions. This could potentially lead to widespread extinctions and the migration of species to more hospitable environments, altering biodiversity. Human societies would need to adapt to these changing conditions, developing new strategies for agriculture, water management, and disaster preparedness. We could potentially face mass migrations and resource scarcity as people move in search of more stable climates and reliable resources. The introduction of a second moon would not just be a celestial event, but a profound transformation of life on Earth. The moon has been a source of wonder and inspiration for humanity since the dawn of our species. But in a world illuminated by the light of two moons, how might human history, culture, and even our very understanding of the cosmos have been different? Myths and legends would undoubtedly arise to explain their presence. The cyclical waxing and waning of two moons would add a new layer of complexity to ancient calendars. Festivals might be timed to coincide with rare celestial events. The presence of two moons could even have impacted the development of science and astronomy. Ancient astronomers might have developed more sophisticated astronomical models centuries earlier. The concept of time itself might have taken on a different meaning in a two-mooned world. The race to space has been profoundly shaped by the presence of our moon. But in a world with two moons, the challenges and opportunities for space exploration would be vastly different. Imagine launching a rocket into space, not with a single familiar moon as a celestial beacon, but with two moons. Reaching orbit around Earth would be more challenging, requiring more powerful rockets and precise maneuvering. Establishing lunar bases or research outposts on a second moon would be a tantalizing possibility. The moons themselves would become stepping stones for further exploration. The study of two moons would provide invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. In a world bathed in the ethereal glow of two moons, the night sky would transform into a mesmerizing canvas of light and shadow. Everyday life would be subtly yet profoundly different as the dual moons cast their unique glow upon the Earth. Imagine stepping outside on a clear night and witnessing a celestial spectacle unlike anything we see today. The sight of two moons hanging in the sky would be a constant reminder of the wonders of the universe. Two moons would illuminate the night sky, casting intricate shadows and creating a breathtaking backdrop for stargazing. The interplay of light and dark would be more complex, adding depth and dimension to the nocturnal landscape. The phases of two moons would create an ever-changing celestial display. As one moon waxes, the other might wane, offering a dynamic and ever-shifting panorama that would captivate skywatchers and astronomers alike. The increased brightness of two moons would have practical implications as well. Nighttime activities could extend longer without the need for artificial lighting, and the natural world would adapt to the new light conditions. Nighttime illumination would be significantly brighter, potentially impacting animal behavior and reducing the need for artificial lighting. Nocturnal animals might alter their habits, and plants could experience changes in growth patterns due to the extended light exposure. Coastal communities would need to adapt to higher tides and more frequent tidal fluctuations. The gravitational pull of two moons would create more complex tidal patterns, requiring new strategies for managing coastal infrastructure and marine activities. The cultural impact of two moons would be equally profound. Human creativity would flourish under the influence of this celestial phenomenon. Music, art, and literature would draw inspiration from the beauty and mystery of a two-mooned sky. Poets might pen verses about the dual moons dance, while artists capture the surreal landscapes bathed in their light. The dual moons would become a symbol of wonder and inspiration, shaping the cultural fabric of societies around the world. As we've journeyed through this thought experiment, we've encountered awe-inspiring possibilities and daunting challenges. The delicate balance of gravity, the intricate dance of tides, the very air we breathe, all would be forever altered by the presence of another celestial companion. It reminds us that the universe is a place of infinite diversity, where the laws of physics allow for an astonishing array of planetary systems. It challenges us to expand our definition of what is possible and embrace the sheer creativity of the cosmos. As we conclude our exploration of a two-mooned Earth, we are reminded that the universe is a vast cosmic ocean, teeming with possibilities beyond our wildest imaginations. The search for exoplanets has already revealed a staggering diversity of planetary systems. Perhaps, among the billions of stars in our galaxy, there exist worlds illuminated by the light of 2 moons. Let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the mysteries of the cosmos.